Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about middle term of quadratic equations. Let's say we have an equation x squared plus 7x plus 12. Now, a quadratic equation is usually written like this: x squared plus sx plus p. What does the s and p stands for? S stands for the sum and p stands for the product. Let me explain you that. We are always going to start with the product. So what is the product here? The product over here is 12. Let's write down the factors of 12. For example, 1 multiply 12, we get a 12. 6 multiply 2, we also get a 12. And 4 multiply 3, we also get a 12. Now, what is the middle value? The middle value is plus 7, which means you have to decide which two numbers should be added or subtracted to get a 7. Should I add 1 and 12? Nope. Should we take 6 and 2? Nope. If you have taken 4 and 3, then that is the correct answer. Let's continue. So, our second line should be x squared will be written as it is, and the positive 12 should be written as it is. So, instead of 7x, we have to write a positive thrice x and a positive 4x. After that, take common from the first two and take common from the last two. What can be taken common from the first two? X. So, we will be having x plus 3. What can be taken common from the last two? A positive 4. So we should be having a x plus 3 as well. If you have a look at this line, we can see that x plus 3 can be taken common from this line. So we are left with x plus 4. And that is the end of our quadratic equations.